everybody. This is Brad here on Brad's Driving and Fog GT channel, and we got some ditch flooding a little bit, but must got a lot of rain out here too. Right now, here where I'm at and living, like the roundabouts are. Really, a little bit of flooding just around the roundabouts. See how where I work at is prone to flooding anyway. So we're taking the Cloud Road. This one here. Oh shit. I know I kind of chicken and all, but hopefully it'll be safer, but it doesn't always work that way. There's been some where the lakes are at. Okay, there. Check up on this road here. The ditches were like overflowing right here onto your right. This is or flooded out there too. There too. This one you gotta watch out for. I'm going to have to deal. I'll have to deal with the flood out here too. That's a bump, so I'll deal with the wells, but I'm just gonna. As soon as that's unplugged, then I'll deal with that later. Other than that, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brad's Driving Vlogs. And thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye.